Put this in your house and get rid of mice and rats naturally in just one day. Mice and rats sneaking around your home can be a real nightmare. They chew wires, leave droppings, and carry germs. Traps and poison can be dangerous, and they don't always work. Today, I'll show you a natural mix that gets rid of rodents fast and uses things you already have at home. Grab a clean glass bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now grate a little cheese, any kind works, even powdered. Mix it all with a spoon until it blends well. This mix smells good to mice. They eat it, but the baking soda messes with their stomachs. It's quick, clean, and no poison needed. Before I go on, tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Today's shout out goes to Marta from Tampa, Florida. Put the bowl near places where mice sneak in. The smell pulls them in, but the mix does the rest. It's safe for your home and works like magic. Check back in one day. You'll notice fewer signs of mice and your space will feel cleaner and safer.